Hey guys, my name is Radosh and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making beautiful and delicious butter bread. This is a great idea for the upcoming holidays because it's going to serve you as a really beautiful table centerpiece, and if you stay with me for the next couple of minutes, you're going to be surprised by how easy it is to prepare it. In today's recipe, we will be using 2 eggs, 500 milliliters of milk, 900 grams of all-purpose flour or bread flour, 125 grams of butter, 50 milliliters of oil, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 packet of fresh yeast or 1 packet of dry instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, and about a tablespoon of sesame. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 packet of dry yeast, 1 spoon of sugar, 500 milliliters of lukewarm milk, and 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, and leave it to bloom for about 10 minutes. Add 900 grams of flour and 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix to combine with a spatula, and then continue kneading the dough with your hands. Take the dough on a well-floured surface and continue kneading it for at least 10 minutes. Place it back in a bowl and cover with a bit of oil to prevent it from sticking, and leave it to proof for about an hour. Using a rolling pin, spread the dough into a rectangular shape of around 5 mm of thickness. Spread the softened or melted butter and then roll the dough. Cut the edges of the dough and leave one on the side for later. Connect the ends of the roll and place it on a sheet of baking paper. That will help you transport it later. Start cutting the slices of about an inch thick, being careful not to slice all the way through. Place it in a spring form and pull every second slice inwards. Push the dough closer to the edges and make space in the center for the end of the roll that we've previously cut, and leave it to rest for about 20 minutes. Beat 1 egg with a tablespoon of water and brush the top of the bread, and once you're done, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Place it in the center of a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. If you feel that the top is burning, halfway through you can cover it with aluminum foil. Take the bread out of the oven and leave it in the form for at least 15 minutes to set. And now, after 15 minutes, take it out of the form and you're ready to enjoy this beautiful layered butter bread. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have, leave it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And until next time, see you!